Earn $555 in just 3 minutes. Do my subscribe earns huge amounts on my strategies. Hello traders, Rahul is with you again. Today I will show you how I earned $555 in just 3 minutes. So using a new strategy and now a little bit about my subscribers. Every day my subscribers earn huge amount of money trading using my signals and strategies. They are just as simple people as you, but they have found an easy source of making money. If you also want to, then go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description and get a bunch of the bonus, strategies and other useful things. So we will meet there. Let's not limit ourselves to words. Let's show in practice how I got a big profit. The main thing in the video is my strategy developed for you. It is based on the alligator and getter indicators. You don't need to be an expert to understand and start earning money. It's simple. If the trend is moving up and the indicator doesn't show resistance, this is a signal to increase. If down, it is a signal to decrease. I will show you the settings now. So now to the settings, I leave everything at the standard values as they do a great job. I turn on Japanese candlesticks, set the interval to 30 minutes and the transaction time 30 seconds. We will trade on the Euro Composite Index. Starting our trade looking at the chart, I have already found a point in the enter the increase. I enter with the amount of the $40 via the promotion. The chart saw a small adjustment and upward movement of the indicator, which is a significant signal. The first transaction was completed quickly and our balance is now $77. So don't linger and move on to the next deal. If you are still not sure about my strategy, I am ready to prove you that it works. So we open a deal for an increase in the amount of the $77 via the promotion. Our indicators show that the chart is flexibility turning upward and small adjustments are insignificant. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, I highly recommend Olim Trade. Here you will get the fast withdrawal, transparent transactions and good profits. I personally trust this platform and am confident in its reliability. So also join my Telegram channel to receive the bonus and up-to-date information for the successful trading. Yes, our deal is coming to an end and our balance is already $149. But we are not going to stop here and go further in search of the new entry points. So do you want to turn your dreams into reality and start making money from the trading, but you don't know where to start? So join my Telegram channel where you will find out not only useful information but also tools for the success. I will share with you bonus, proven strategies and everything that will help you become a successful trader. The link to the channel is available in the description. So don't miss your chance to start earning with me sums in the tradings. So we are opening a deal for an increase in the amount of the $149. Via the promotion, our indicators confirm that the chart is moving up. There are no adjustment and strong support in the form of the chart flexibility. And now our deal is completed and our balance pleases us. So having increased to $287, there are not just number on the screen, they are the result of the effectiveness of my strategy. In the last trade of my strategy, I am again active, predictively and confidently analyzing the situation. I notice a point for entering a downgrade. Why the downgrade? It's simple. The main trend indicated decline. The general downward movement of the chart confirmed this and the indicator clearly saw a reversible of the chart in the direction of the decline. And our last transaction is completed and our balance is $555, guys. So my strategy is coming to an end. Stick to it and get a big profits. If you have still doubts, don't worry. Just take a look at the feedback from my subscribers in the Telegram channel and everything is really easy and simple here. Check for yourself by clicking on the link in the description and join me. Let's achieve success in the trading together and I'm always ready to help and share my strategy. So see you in my Telegram channel.